drawing states, we want to draw India map outline like this. Link is given in the description box below. First, draw southernmost states of India, that is Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Then Goa, Gujarat, seven sister states. They are Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. For remembering the names of these states, I use a tip, that is ATM Money Man. ATM means Assam, Tripura, Mizoram. Money means Manipur. Man means Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland. Jammu and Kashmir. Sikkim. Now I am going to draw some states in the middle. Their names are in the order double K, double M, W, double H. They are Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh. This is old Andhra Pradesh. Now it is splitted into Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The word cow helps us to remember the states Chhattisgarh, Odisha and West Bengal. Bihar, Rajasthan and Punjab. Finally, mark the capital of India, Delhi.